Were you playing Destiny yesterday? Nope. Oh wait, we're supposed to check the donation.
After this. After one more.
Would you guys let a girl do your makeup? Yeah, we did that every day on it. Emily and Sarah and Linda, they're all great people.
Okay.
Where's the gun?
What are you doing?
Well, the gun's over there.